Hi, my name is Jessica Livingston. I'm with Colt Defense. I'm here to show you some of our new products for 2013. This first one actually has all black Magpul accessories with a gray finish instead of our anodized black. Also have a standard LE6920 with all Blackhawk accessories. And then next we have a matte FDE finish. And then we also have the Muddy Girl. For those of you who like the Muddy Girl, it also has a pencil lightweight barrel. Same with the Tiger Stripe camouflage. Pencil barrel, same thing with that one. And then over here, we have our AR6720 LE car. Actually has a 14.5-inch barrel with a pinned and welded flash hider. For those of you who actually want a short barrel but don't want to deal with ATF.
We're getting them out the door every day.
Excuse me.
This year it's the 50-year anniversary of the M16, so we did an AR-15A4 commercial variant. We took it a step further. There's also one available that has MP FDE, so Magpul FDE accessories on it.
This one, sir,
this AR-15A4 is dipped in a silver flame finish. It's actually pretty nice looking. We also have our AR-6520 with a triangular handguard and a different butt stock than what you're used to. And then we have two new finishes, Carbon Fiber and Bounty Hunter, both with Magpul accessories. And we also have a lot more models for 2013. This is just sort of a preview of what's to come.